Hi, I'm Craig Weinshank, Director of Research at the Fire Safety Research Institute, and I invite you to join me at FDIC 2025 for a 4-hour workshop to prepare your department to transition to the new National Emergency Response Information System, also known as NERIS. While the mission of the fire service has not changed since the original NFIRS was built nearly 50 years ago, the environment to which firefighters respond has. Residential structures are larger, more open, and more energy efficient. We use more lightweight construction. Energy storage systems and batteries are now commonplace across all communities. Many of the largest wildland fires have occurred in the past decade. To better characterize these types of incidents, as well as the hazards we don't yet know about, an overhaul of data collection was needed. FSRI recently developed and launched version 1 of NERIS, which will replace the NFIRS system and become the premier source for our nation's emergency responders. NERIS will empower your fire department by providing you with information and analytic tools to enhance preparedness and response. Join me at FDIC 2025 to discuss the development of NERIS, including how and why the new and legacy systems differ, how to onboard your department, use the data collection app, and how to use the provided data analytics services to improve your department.